Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve call is waiting problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down and click on apps. Search or find out phone app. Scroll down and click on phone app. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Swipe down notification panel and turn on flight mode and go to phone app. Call is waiting problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.